Hello to all my ninth and 10th grade history students. This is Mr. J coming to drop some knowledge on you about your written assignments. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to talk about two things on written assignments today. One, when I open it up and find a blank document. There are two possibilities. One, you turned in the sheet without doing anything on it just to get the overdue out of it, which is kind of a bad thing on your part because all you're doing is fooling your parents and it's not going to go very far because your grade is still going to be 0 on the Monday after it's due. Or, and this is what I'm hoping, you forgot to save your assignment to a hard drive. So ninth graders, you're going to recognize this. This is from your content page. I went and opened up to 3.08. Now, if you want to find out what the assignment is, you go up here to this graded assignment, compare, contrast, essay. You click on that. And when you click on it, this pops up. Okay, write an essay that compares and contrasts the way in which China and Japan respond to the West and describe how, okay, you're writing a compare and contrast video. Okay, guys, first thing you need to do is go up here, hit the enable editing. This allows you to actually write on the assignment. So you just come down here, write something, compare and contrast. China and Japan. Period. Okay, guys. No, that will not cover the assignment. This is a 50-point assignment, and I expect a good, solid paragraph from you guys. Some of these 1 and 2 sentences are not cutting it. Anyway, after this, you click up to the file. You hit Save As. Okay, guys, go to Browse, go to Document, go to I don't really care where, and type something to recognize it. Compare and contrast. All right, now you have the assignment in the books, in the hard drive, ready to go. Then you go back here, then you go down. Guys, everybody notice this little block right here? You see that? This is where you upload the assignment. Click Upload. Then it opens up here. Then you go to Document, which is what we saved it under. And then you find Compare and Contrast, which is how I labeled it. Ah, there we go. Compare and Contrast. You hit Open. Now, if you look down here, you see Compare and Contrast Doc. Okay, guys, if you want to tell me anything about it, you write it here. Now, I see this on every page. And then you go here and you hit the Submit button. Now, I'm not going to submit this one because, guys, I am not about to grade this, and I'm not about to make the student whose page this is think that, okay, this assignment's done. No, it's not. All right, ladies and gentlemen, need to talk about something else. A lot of you have nice paragraphs in there. You think you done good. Hold on one second. As I was saying, guys, some of you get in there and you write good assignments or paragraphs and you think they're done good. I'm just going to tell you this once, guys. You're not really being bright about it. And let me tell you why. Because some of you are copying and pasting the exact same document. Guys, it doesn't matter if you get it from eNotes. It doesn't matter if you get it from Brain. It doesn't matter if you get it from Wikipedia. If you're copying and pasting it, it's wrong. You guys all signed when you started a document that said you would not plagiarize. Plagiarizing is copying somebody else's work. Now, I gave you all some slack. If you did that this time, you got a D on your assignment. If I see it again, it is an automatic F with a report going up to the school administration. Guys, you're in high school now. You can at least use your own words. Guys, I don't care where you get the facts from. Use your book, use my lesson, use the internet to get your facts. But when you start copying and pasting somebody else's work, it is no different than theft. And it will, if you make it to college, get you kicked out of college. Mr. J has been kind of lenient on it. No more. If I go and start reading 6 assignments that are exactly the same, every single one of you, whether I gave it an A the first time because I didn't recognize it as copied, is going to get an F. And I will report the documents to the school administration. Not to mention, I will send an email or phone call to your parents or learning coach. Guys, this is serious. Take your education seriously. You do not need to copy. You do not need to paste. Use your own words. Every single one of you. Doesn't matter if you're regular students, special needs students, whatever. You have the ability to create your own assignments. And it is a major cheat to copy and paste somebody else's. Mr. J has gone to school for 20 years to get my master's degree, my bachelor's degree, and everything else. And I will tell you for a fact, not once did I turn in something that was not my own words. And neither should you. If you have any problems with this, if you tell me you're not original enough to do it, fine, email me. I'll walk you through it. If you still can't do it, guys, well, you get reported, and eventually you'll get asked to leave the school. We take it that importantly. Our accreditation is based on the fact that we do this. So guys, a little bit of honesty, no cheating, no copying. You're better than that, every single one of you. I'm sorry this was kind of stiff. I'm sorry this was kind of rough. Mr. J doesn't like to be this way. But take the time, learn, and do your own assignments. Goodbye.